ago. The Colorado River will be coming into view here in just a moment over the right-hand wall. From here, it goes 70 miles downstream to Lake Mojave. Lake Mojave was formed in 1951 when Davis Dam was built, and is the second part of the Lake National Recreation Area, one of the oldest and largest recreation areas in the national park system. Only about 20% of the Lake recreation area is. The other 80% is the land surrounding the two lakes. We're going to go up to the area on the side, take a drive across the dam, get a look at the spillway tunnels, the backside of the dam. I want you to have a full perspective of this massive feat of engineering, and then we'll come back down to the parking garage and get you on your main dam tour. Hoover Dam is 726 feet tall for its bedrock base. For this time of 660 cubic base, which is matched the footprint of its big almost 45 feet at the top. The 6.5 million tons of concrete is enough to build a two-lane highway 18 feet wide from San Francisco to New York. Contrary to rumors or legends, there is nobody buried in the concrete. Although there's speculation that Jimmy Hoffa might be down there, but they never did find him. The round towers on the left side coming up are the intake towers. There's 4 of them. They're about the height of a 34-story building. Water comes through these towers through large 10-foot gates and into the 32-foot diameter intake pipes called penstocks at a rate of 96,000 gallons per second. Bless you. The spillway tunnels, which there are 2 of them, one on each side, go down to what was originally the diversion tunnels, which diverted water around the dam during its construction. There were 4 diversion tunnels constructed, 56 feet in diameter, and going 4,000 feet through the rock. Hoover Dam was completed in just under 5 years, between 1931 and 1935, 2 years, almost 2 years ahead of schedule, and under budget. Try doing that with a government project nowadays. The first 2 years of construction was just building the diversion tunnels to get the water around the construction site.